Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new bag reveal and a what's in my bag. I wanted to show you how I pack this, how I've been using it for the past few weeks. It's not quite an unboxing. I've already posted an unboxing reel video short of this, so you kind of already know what it is, but I'll do a quick reveal later on and show how I pack this on the day-to-day. I also have some new makeup and fragrance. I was gifted these Dior beauty products, and I also have a new Dior promo code and gift with purchase. So make sure you watch the video. I'll share everything with you. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, also the promo code. You do have to be a Dior loyalty member in order to qualify, in order to receive these complimentary gifts. So I'll include that link below. Once you sign up and you become a member, depending on how much you spend, you graduate through the different tiers. I am a platinum loyalty member. So with that, there are tons of perks, including a beautiful gift packaging. Dior loyalty members also receive complimentary shipping, and all these products are only available on Dior.com. This is just their standard gift packaging. They have their new spring collection out. They have some new Valentine's Day gifts. They have Lunar New Year collections and Lunar New Year packaging. It's this beautiful red box if you celebrate. That is all complimentary once you are a Dior beauty loyalty member. I also, because I'm platinum, I believe I get 2 Dior like deluxe miniatures. Usually you would get your choice of a deluxe miniature with a $100 beauty purchase, but when I go to checkout, I can pick out 2. So once you open up the packaging, and I love to reuse these boxes, by the way, just to organize my drawers and, you know, cabinets. Everything is beautifully gift wrapped, so it's great gifting for the holidays, for Valentine's Day. The first thing I open up is this drawstring little goodie bag. This is where the samples are packaged, and again, because I'm platinum, I get to pick 2 deluxe ones. I've historically always been choosing the women's deluxe fragrances, but I wanted to get some travel fragrances for my husband and for my son. So here is a deluxe miniature Sauvage, and then we have another Dior Homme. We are traveling soon, and then we have an extended trip that I just booked for the summer, so I wanted to have these deluxe colognes for them, but there is the deluxe miniature. You also can choose 2 smaller samples, and I always choose the Privé fragrances. So here's the Eden Rock, and then another Privé. I love that they come packaged in these little boxes, and inside is the spray. Again, these are complimentary with your order, and I like to also reuse these little pouches to organize my purse. Dior repackaged my favorite Dior Lip Glow Oil, so I had to pick up a new shade in the new packaging. This is in the shade Latte, and this is what I'm wearing today. I also have it paired with their lip liner in the shade Jungle. But I'll quickly swatch so you can see what it looks like. This doesn't really go with my shirt today, but that's okay. So that is the lip liner. Here is the lip glow oil. So that is the perfect shade match. One thing I like about Dior beauty products, including their fragrances, some of their makeup offerings, you can choose to have it personalized. So I did have this lip glow oil personalized with my name. They do the same with their fragrances, even men's colognes. You can personalize either the glass bottle or with some of the men's colognes, the caps. And then with Miss Dior fragrance, you can personalize the bow that's on the top of the Miss Dior fragrance, which is very cute. I picked up 2 of their new fragrances. We have the Peachy Glow and the Rosy Glow. They also have a third one in purple. It's called the Purple Glow. It was sold out when I went to purchase this, but I think it's back in stock. But I'll show you what these look like. I love the packaging because it looks exactly like their lipstick or their lip balm or their lip glow oil. And this is the Dior Addict Rosy Glow perfume. It looks just like their Dior lip products, but at the top here you have a glass cap and then a spray nozzle. So this is the Rosy Glow. It's my perfume today. This has notes of rose and lychee, which is my favorite. And I love the compact size to just kind of stick in your purse. If you're a fan of fruity florals, I also have the Peachy Glow. Same packaging, but with an orange tint. I'll probably go ahead and place another order so that I can complete the trifecta with the Purple Glow. But the Peachy Glow has notes of peach, jasmine, and vanilla. And then the Purple Glow has notes of raspberry and iris. I also got this super cute little keychain charm with the reformulated Dior Lip Glow oils. It has the signature Dior star. And then it has this little rubbery silicone case to house the new Dior Lip Glow oil, which is perfect because then it just hangs on your purse as a bag charm or a keychain, and you're not having to root around your bag looking for it. So I love that little keychain. I think this little charm might be gone. This was a gift with purchase, but if you use the code MAGICQ1 with any $130 Dior Beauty purchase, you will receive a pink pouch. It's similar to this, but it's actually larger. This is what the side profile looks. The new one is chunkier and it's more of a patent texture. So again, if you use the code MAGICQ1, you have to click the link below, sign into your Dior Beauty loyalty account or create an account if you haven't already joined, and then use the code MAGICQ1 with any $130 Dior Beauty purchase, and you'll get this, a bigger version of this as your complimentary gift of purchase. Okay, so let me show you my new Goyard bag. I did already unbox this. This was technically a Christmas present, like a belated Christmas present, but it's perfect for Valentine's Day, and you'll see why. I love the Goyard dust bag. Here it is, and it is the Artois PM in the burgundy or Bordeaux color. Now, if you watched, I forgot which video it was, but I already unboxed the plumette. I love this little crossbody, kind of a wallet on chain. I can stick my phone in here, my ID, lip gloss, lip balm, hand cream, and then I'm good to go. I have been loving this little bag, and so I wanted to get a tote bag to match. And the popular Goyard tote bags are definitely the Saint Louis, and then this is the Artois. I love the Artois because it has a top zipper. So the whole thing closes. There's the inside. The pocket at the top has the same coated canvas lining. Here's my receipt. Because the Artois is meant to be a shoulder carry and not like a beach tote bag like the Saint Louis, the canvas is a lot thicker. It's not as flimsy as a Saint Louis tote. And the bottom has this reinforced leather. So it just feels a lot sturdier. It stands up on its own. And the handles are longer on this one than on the Saint Louis tote. I'll share the prices with you because Goyard doesn't post a lot of their prices online. Although now that they have started having some products available to be ordered that are personalized, they have shared the prices for those, but they're higher because they're personalized. So the Goyard Artois PM retails for $2,700 US. The Saint Louis PM tote is currently $1,960 and the GM is $2,170. The other difference with the Saint Louis totes, so if you purchase this before they announce this new change, you know, you're kind of SOL, I guess. But all Saint Louis totes now will include their little closure at the top. It's like this little clip because they are just open tote bags. You always have been able to purchase that clip. I believe it's $210, but now it will come with it. So I'm debating whether to get a Saint Louis tote next, even though it's a little flimsier, but just that would be a, you know, kind of a throw around tote. I also just noticed the zipper pull here. So it has this little rubbery thing to protect the zipper. The zipper pull has a G for Goyard. I never noticed that. All right, so here's the inside. Again, you do have the one pocket. However, I always have a bag insert, bag organizer, and I already have this here packed and ready to go. So when I switch out my bags, I can do it a lot quicker and more efficiently. This bag organizer is from Samorga, and I do have a promo code. If you use my code Cindy10, you'll save 10% off of your order. They are also available on Amazon now. I don't know if you can personalize it on there, but this is a custom insert for specifically the Goyard Artois PM, and I got this in the 1.2 mm felt like thickness in the shade beige, I think. I love that it has a water bottle pocket. I currently have my Tom Ford sunglasses in here. The Goyard plumette sticks right there on the side. I have tissues on the side pocket, a pen, hair tie and scrunchie, my cell phone. What else? I always have a plastic bag just in case. I have 3 kids, so there's always some kind of emergency where we need a bag. My keys, and then I have my little pouch with my AirPods and headphones. And then in my Dior pouch, I have a Dior hand cream, a Dior lip glow butter. I also have these Dior mattifying papers. I love that it has a little mirror compact, and then you have these like blotting, oil blotting papers here. So I like to just keep this in here in my little pouch. I have my new Dior Addict Rosy Glow perfume, and I can just stick that in here. So this all slides right in here, and everything fits in here in my new Goyard Artois PM tote. So that is everything that I keep in my new Goyard Artois PM tote bag in this beautiful burgundy. And again, everything I talked about will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.